And if you don't feel like that, girl, you just don't have the right wig. That's all it is. I'm super excited for this Wig Install Wednesday because she is T, so stay with me.
On private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Calling all my baddies to the front because this wig is the one. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Destiney.Arianna, back with another Here in Heart Talk video sponsored by BeautyExchange. It's Wig Install Wednesday, and today we have a wig review from Bare Lace. And why didn't anybody tell me that they really been out here doing it like this? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done a bad Bare Lace wig yet. I'm gonna go ahead now and give Sensationnel their flowers. They were reviewing unit number 4 in the color Secret Highlight Light Ash Brown. This is a 13 by 6 free part glueless wig. It is heat safe. It doesn't say what kind of lace it is, but honestly, it's some good lace, okay? The lace is bare, okay? They don't do HD transparent. They do bare lace, baby. That's what they're breaking down for you in this wig card. I like it. It's kind of in-depth. This wig comes in buttery blonde, chestnut, ginger, golden walnut, honey, platinum, and light ash blonde. I mean brown. But anyways, y'all, look at this wig. Look how pretty she looks. Like, you can already tell by looking at it, she is a good quality wig. You can see how soft she is. It looks like a human hair wig. It has like just the right amount of softness with the right mix of coarseness. The lace is giving HD lace, but that's why it's bare lace. I'm not even gonna lie, that was kind of scary, but I gotta stop playing with y'all like that. Mixed with the voice, oh my gosh, please. So the wig did fit really good. I would definitely say it's big head friendly. I still cut the ear tabs just because there was a lot of lace, which is a good thing because it can fit your head and you want to make sure that you have the full versatility of the wig and the frontal. So just to make sure that the wig fit correctly and isn't just irritating my ears, I just went ahead and cut the ear tabs before gluing it down with the adhesive. And we just get into the way that the unit naturally falls already. Like, it's giving voluminous, it's giving 90s Barbie bombshell. And on that note, let's go ahead and get into today's hard talk as I apply this wig. Today's topic is 3 mistakes women usually make when setting boundaries. The first one is over-explaining. When you set a boundary and you explain rather than just say it is what it is, people don't take you serious and they know you don't even believe the boundary. Because when you're healed and you set a boundary for yourself, that's just it. Like, you say what you said and you don't have to explain anything. And when the boundary is crossed, consequences are put in place. This is true, and I've learned this through experience. Next, number 2. Before we get into number 2, do you see how well this wig is fitting? Like, the frontal of the wig is fitting perfectly around my ears. I love that. The second mistake women make when creating boundaries is making the boundary but not enforcing it, especially when we vocalize it and then it comes around and then we don't stand on it. Ooh, this is really bad, but it's also really common. And I've been that girl who did that so many times, but now I'm standing strong. You can overcome that phase. So bear with yourself, have some grace and patience, and give it to God. By the way, this is the Style Fixer Lace Bond Adhesive, which I'll link for you below in the description box, as well as all the other products and this beautiful wig, because why wouldn't I put you on? And just so you know, you can get all of this at mybeautyexchange.com, okay? And here I'm just brushing everything back before I lay it down with the wig band to make sure it's laying in place where I want it to be. You don't have to rush to put it on when you spray the adhesive. You have a few minutes before it's like, okay, now I got to reapply. And setting boundaries and not enforcing them, you know, that can be really messy because then it's hard for people to take you serious. But just know, like I said, it is something you can shake back from with practice and building that muscle of discipline. But let's get into the third mistake that women make when setting boundaries. This one is a really big one. Women feel guilty for choosing themselves when you set a boundary. And I still struggle with this one, but that's where that self-talk and knowing the word of God, that's where that comes in to motivate you and be like, you know what, girl, no, this is right. we're not playing that no more. Because when you're so used to abandoning yourself for so long, not even having boundaries and trying to people please, or just feeling guilty like you can't do what's best for you because you're doing what's best for everybody else. When you start choosing yourself and telling people like no, or hey, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, you will feel guilty. But it doesn't mean you're wrong for enforcing those boundaries, okay? That's the trick. That's what's important. Can you relate? And what's the trickiest part about setting boundaries for you? There's so many layers that go into that. But that is my heart talk, and I hope, you can relate. I hope I helped somebody today, because, girl, trust me, I've been through it all. And make sure you comment. Let me know what else you want to have a heart talk about, what I can help you with. Share your stories. Let's connect. And as you saw, all I did was put the wig band on. I didn't even blow dry it. Sometimes I do that and I just walk around and let it air dry, and it works just as good. It's such a simple, easy way to install your wig. And this melted so pretty. Y'all see this? Let me know, what do you think, girl? Already giving such an effortless look in a natural, beautiful, voluminous wave. So I went in and got my handy dandy. Oh my goodness, y'all, I told you my voice keeps going in and out, sorry. My handy dandy wet girl paddle brush, wig brush. It's like the wet brush that you use when you have curly hair, but it works so good on the synthetic wigs. And BeautyExchange does have wet brushes. This particular one is not from there, but you can purchase those as well. It's like it just glides through the hair. But again, like I told you guys, this hair feels so soft. It's not even necessary. But of course, because we're getting into the style now, I'm going to completely brush her out. But as you can see, I'm already starting to feel her and shape her a little bit to see which way the layers were naturally falling. And yeah, this is what one side looks like brushed out compared to the other side. And look, you see how you can just kind of, shape her a little bit with your hands, and then it falls like a beautiful natural curl. Like you did some light curls with the curler, and then, let them fall with a little bit of hairspray. Y'all know the chi, okay? And that is so pretty. So I'm just going to continue brushing her out just to see and show you guys what she looks like all the way brushed out. By the way, if you don't know, every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, we will be releasing new videos for you. On Wednesdays, it's Wig Install Wednesdays, where I'll be dropping wig tutorials, wig tips, anything install, wig reviews. And you can always let me know in the comments what it is that you want to see, and connect with our social medias in the description box below or in the beginning or end of the videos, so that we can get your feedback, so you can see what's new, what's coming out, new drops, new releases and giveaways, sales, everything. You don't want to miss out, girl. And this is a community, okay, where we talk about all things beauty inside and out. We relate, we're real, and we slay at the same time. This turned out so pretty. What do you think? Like, I absolutely am in love with this unit. I would get it in every color. Let me know what you think. And my bad, I didn't finish on Fridays. We have Freestyle Friday, where I show you how to style these units. You see how I did that braid. And Saturday, we're serving looks. So tune in.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.